Hi, ma'am. As a mother, I'd love to offer hope and help to this mother. This child's made in the image of God. This baby has purpose and value. We're here to offer you help. Please don't do worse harm. Ma'am, you're allowed to come over to me to offer you hope and help. Please don't murder your baby. Give your baby life and freedom. Please come.
Please don't.
Please don't. I know. Please don't make her do that.
An abortion. This is what you all do. We don't understand it.
This is murder.
This is a son or daughter.
Ma'am, you have value. We care about you. We love you. You don't have to do this. Ma'am, this is your responsibility, ma'am. You can make a good decision right now. You can change your entire life right now just with this decision. This is your responsibility.